Okay, guys, we're looking at the speed and acceleration problems worksheet. We're looking at solving for average speed on the front side and looking to solve for acceleration on the back side. So we see the formula for average speed is total distance divided by total time. If we're trying to find acceleration, we're going to find final velocity minus initial velocity. That's ending minus beginning. Subtract that first and then divide that by the amount of time. So we're going to start. I'm going to show a demo here of problems, just 1 and 2 on the front, maybe 1 on the back, I'm not sure yet. So looking at question 1. Stewie and Brian are riding in Brian's car. They travel for 21 minutes. There's my first bit of information. 21 minutes, and they go for 12 miles. And they travel for 11 more minutes, and they go for 4 more miles. So those are 4 bits of information that we get. The question is, what is their average speed? So we're going to use what's called the guess method to work on figuring this out. And that guess is GUESS, stands for given, unknown, equation, substitute, and solve. So starting with what's given to us, I just circled all the things that are given to us in this problem. So if we go back and look, the first thing we have is 21 minutes. We're looking for distances and times here, really. So 21 minutes is a time. So I'm going to call that time 1 equals 21 minutes. That's the first thing that I was given in this problem. The next thing I'm given after 21 minutes is that they went 12 miles during this time. So 12 miles is a distance. I'm going to put distance equals 12 miles. Back over here, that's not all the information I have. I see they travel again for 11 more minutes, and they go 4 more miles. So I'm going to include both of those things. So another time of 11 more minutes, and then another distance. I'm going to call those distance 1 and 2. I didn't do that at first. Distance 1 and distance 2. Distance 2 was 4 more miles. So I have my given information here. Time 1 was 21 minutes. Distance 1 was 12 miles. Time 2, the second time that we got from the problem, was 11 minutes more. And then the second distance that they traveled was 4 more miles. So then what's unknown? The question, that means what's the question asking me? We got the given information now. The second step is, what is the question asking me? So the unknown is, we're going to call that V bar. That's a V for velocity with a bar on top, which stands for average. I'm going to say V bar equals, I'm going to put a question mark in there. It shows I don't know what that is. That's my unknown. So again, V bar, the V stands for velocity. The V stands for velocity. The bar on top, this little bar on top, that little bar on top stands for average. So that's average velocity. Velocity, V for velocity, the bar on top means average. So I'm trying to solve for average speed or average velocity, and so the equation for that is, this is the equation from up above, V bar, let's go back to black here. V bar which again stands for average speed or average velocity. V bar equals my distance over time. In this case, there's 2 distances, so I'm going to put distance 1 plus distance 2 on the top. That's total distance divided by my total time is time 1 plus time 2. That's my formula for total distance over total time. Now we're going to substitute in. Substitute means I'm going to start putting numbers in where I have these letters, where I have these placeholders put in. So to substitute in, V bar, distance 1 was 12 miles, plus distance 2 is 4 more miles. That's the top. Those are my distances. Over time 1 is 21 minutes, plus time 2 is 11 more minutes. So there's that. I've got average speed equals my total distance, which is distance 1 plus distance 2, divided by my total time, which is 21 minutes plus 11 more minutes. The next step is to solve that. V bar equals 12 plus 4 is 16. 21 plus 11 is 32. Sixteen divided by 32 gives me 0.5. If you got 2 there, you did this backwards. If you got 2 for this answer, you did it backwards. 32 divided by 16 is 2, but this isn't that problem. This is 16 divided by 32. So that's 0.5. And the units come from my problem. The units for distance and time are, in this case, miles for my distances up here, and minutes. So this is going to be miles per minute. 0.5 miles per minute. That's my total there.